How to change hidden photos password in Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change the hidden photos password in your Android device. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. So if you head over to your gallery, tap on your gallery and then go to the albums section and simply scroll down. You'll find the hidden photos. So if you try to open up the hidden photos option there, you will need to go through an authentication. So if you want to change the password for the authentication in your hidden photos, what you'll need to do is you'll actually need to change the password of your device. Now, the password for your device is the same password for your hidden folders. So what you'll need to do is basically change the password for your entire device. For that, you can open up your settings, and on your settings, scroll down till you find security and privacy. Tap on that, and after you're there, you'll find that option that says device unlock. Tap on device unlock, and from here you can change the password. If you want to change the PIN, tap on screen lock, type in your current PIN, and after you type in your current PIN, you can choose the PIN right here. Tap on the PIN option or the password option, or whichever you prefer. Then change your PIN, and after you do that, your PIN for your hidden folder will also get changed. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.